Hello friends, in this video I am going to design a lamp base guide, and we are going to sketch the half cross-sectional shape of the lamp base, and then we are going to use the revolve base uh, command to make it a 3D object. So I'm going to click the sketch and select the right plane, center line, and draw a straight vertical center line. So first thing is that I am going to draw a random sketch, a rough sketch, and then I am going to give the dimension to this sketch. So draw a horizontal line like that, and again draw a vertical line like that, and for this line I am going to give it dimension of 9 inches. Okay, and now I am going to add a sketch relation for this point and this origin. They both have the relation of horizontal, and I'm going to select the tangent arc tool, draw arc like that, then select the line tool, draw a line at some angle like that. And now I needed to select the arc tool because I wanted to add an arc here. But when you have the line tool active, you just move your cursor here on this point, it will be converted into a arc tool. So that's what I did. Okay, and draw like that. And now we needed to add a line at some angle like that. Again, I just move my cursor here on this point, it will be converted to a arc tool. Draw arc like that, and then again move your cursor here and it will be converted to a arc tool again like that. Draw a line at some angle like that, and then again I needed to draw arc like that, and again an arc like that, and a line like that. So I'm just moving this is just a rough sketch, and now I needed to give the dimension for this sketch. The other way is that you can do it step by step. Draw a line, give it the dimension, draw an arc, give it the dimension. So from here to this line, this dimension is given as 3 inches. Okay, and this dimension is 0.25, and the angular dimension between this line and this line, this is 45. Okay, and this arc here, its dimension is 0.38. Okay, and the line between angle between this line and this line, it's given as 20. Okay, and this arc dimension is, radius dimension is 1 inches, and this center point of this arc, this distance between this point and this is given as, I am going to add a diametral dimension, this is 2.63. okay, and then we have this line, this arc, sorry, its dimension is 5 inches, and the angle between this line and this is given as 30. Okay, and this arc here, its dimension is given as 0.88, and diametral dimension for this center point and this line, this is diametral dimension, is given as 3.5. Okay, and I just needed to move some points. It was early in that shape. You can move it here, or we can just do it by adding the dimension. So diametral dimension between this point and line, it's given as 2, like that, and this dimension is as 0.75. Okay, and we have a relation for this point and this point. Relation between them is horizontal, and this point, these two arcs circle, we wanted them have a relation of tangent. And add a relation, this line and this arc have a relation of tangent. Again add a relation, this line, this arc, this line and this arc have a relation of tangent. And we needed to define the diametral dimension for this line and this reference line. This dimension is given as 0.75. Okay, so now we just needed to see which dimensions are not fully defined. Okay, we needed to add a relation between this line and this arc, tangent. Okay, then we needed to define this point, and this distance between them is 3.6. Okay, now it's fully defined. Exit the sketch and use the revolved boss base command, and as you know, the axis of revolution is already selected. This reference line is selected. Click OK. Now this is just the base of the lamp. I'm just going to add some appearance. So this, yeah, I think this color is better. Thank you so much. So this design is done.